everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be slightly different than the kind of videos I usually do. So if my family is watching this, if my parents are watching, if my relatives are watching, please exit the video because I'm gonna be awkward. But if you're someone who's looking for some really fun Valentine's Day gift box ideas, then this video is for you. So without a further ado, let's get started. So this video is in collaboration with MyMuse. You must have got a lot of ads about MyMuse. I mean, I kept getting their ads and I was curious about the brand, and then they reached out to me for a collaboration, so I was really excited, to be honest. So basically MyMuse is a sexual wellness brand, and I love that they are trying to eliminate all the taboos in India, you know, around this segment, and all their products are really high quality. You can just go through their website, you can browse different products they have, and also they have discreet delivery, so you don't have to worry about your neighbors or even parents reading what's there on your parcel. So it's discreet, so that's great. So I love that this brand makes intimacy and even self-love really approachable and fun, and I would highly recommend this website. You can just go through their website. But enough for the introduction. This particular video is about their limited edition Valentine's Day gift box, and they're having Valentine's Day sale right now. They have up to 40% off, and you can also use my discount code to get 10% off over the existing discounts. So you can save a lot of money if you shop during this time. And if you're searching for something to gift to your partner, I have got you covered in this video. We have a Valentine's Day gift box. This is so cute. First of all, it has pink and it has roses and love and hearts and a lot of things printed on it, and they have different sizes available, by the way. They have medium, large and extra large, I believe. I got the one in the size medium, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. So once I open the box, there are three main things inside it, and apart from the three things, there are also freebies. So the kind of freebies you get depends on your box. I think I've got freebies, it seems. I've got 3 freebies with this box. I'll show you the freebies first before we move on to the main items. The first one is this surprise dates scratch card. So they're going to launch this product soon, I believe, and they have just sent some sample cards. There are 5 cards inside, and I feel they have like different date ideas. You just have to scratch it and find it out yourself. I actually wanted to scratch it with Saish, but for this video let's scratch one card. It's written, it could be high cost, adventurous, high effort, going out, it could be anything. Let's see, what do I get? Oh, there's a huge paragraph. The one with the treasure. Interesting. You can read it for yourself. Go hunting at a local antique shop. So this sounds really exciting. I'm not sure if I would have the patience to do that. I feel this particular one is mainly suited for those who have just started dating. I've been with my partner for 9 years now, so I don't know if we will do something like this, but I guess there's no harm in trying. I mean, I'll be scratching more cards also, and we might try something which will resonate with both of us. That was the first freebie. The next freebie is this one. Do you remember we used to do this in schools? What is it called? Like the paper thingy where you put it in your hands and then you choose the color, then you get a word for you. So this is something like that. I forgot how to do this. You have to fold it first properly. Finally got it. Time, words, touch or gift. Let me pick gift. So under gift I have black and white. I'll choose black. You should do this with your partner, but let's see. Under black it's written spank me hard. Okay, this looks really fun. You can definitely try it with your partner. This is a freebie, by the way. It comes in the box. Next freebie are these rose tinted glasses, and there's something written on the box. You cannot directly see, I mean you can kind of see it, but through the rose tinted glasses you can see it properly. Let me just show you. First read this and now read what you can see. Did you spot what's written? Let me know in the comments down below. So those are all the freebies. Let's move on to the next item. And also one more thing, they have this really cute pink thingy inside. The next is a card game. This is called AntiDate AntiDate, not your usual dating game. So this is mainly for those of you who have just started dating, and if you have awkward silences, you don't know what to talk, so this is really good to spice it up a bit and then you get the topics to talk. But it also says that it's not just for newly dating people, it's for all the couples. So I will try it out. Let me just grab a card randomly and read it out for you guys. It says someone tall keeps blocking your view at a concert. Do you politely ask them to move, nudge your way in front of them, or do nothing? It has really great, ice-breaking kind of questions which will help you get to know your partner much better. So even if you're not getting the box and if you just want this card game, you can get it separately too. Perfect for new relationships or just to get to know someone better. So if you're in initial stages of dating, would highly recommend this. Next is a personal jelly. Looks so cute. This is water-based, and yeah, perfect to keep things fun. And this is water based, so can be used with almost anything, and it has aloe vera and all natural ingredients, and it's vegan too. The last item and the highlight of the box is pulse massager. I'm sure you must have seen a lot of ads for these. So this is a personal massager. It feels really good quality. It has 10 different speeds and you can use it with your partner or alone, and it is non-toxic and body safe. And I think this is their best seller because I keep getting ads of the exact same thing, and I've not used it yet, but can't wait to try it. And the packaging, dude, it's so cute and it feels very luxurious. So that was it for this Valentine's Day gift box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was not like my usual videos, but I really wanted to make this because I wanted to go out of my comfort zone and talk about something which I firmly believe in. I really want this topic to be talked about openly, and I don't want any shame or judgment associated with it. So that's why I agreed for the collaboration. Apart from the Valentine's Day box, I also wanted to show you one more thing which they sent me separately. This is a thirsty game. Just check it out on their website. It's a perfect party or drinking game to be played with your close friends. This game is wild, y'all. I'll leave a link for this also in the description box below. Would highly recommend getting it if you have close friends. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video, and please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday. And don't forget to use my discount code MAD10 to get 10% off. Do make use of the Valentine's Day sale that's going on right now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!